No, seriously, you drink it.
Yeah.
Don't let it spill. Don't let it spill.
Tastes like fish.
This is Miguel eating duck egg for the first time.
Don't let it spill.
Sorry.
That's a sin.
Ay, 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 Miguel.
This is weird.
No, it's not weird.
You can put salt or vinegar or both.
Yeah. Can you see the duck egg? Ew. The yellow one is really...
Do
The
we
yellow
just
one
Pour vinegar onto it?
Yeah.
depends what you like. Not a lot.
Just one thick one.
Oh, that's so much.
You can put salt if you like. And you got so far. Oh, you got
The hard
the
one.
hard part.
Is it
You're not
nice?
supposed to eat it?
Oh,
No.
it's okay, oh.
No?
How's it? How's it? The yellow one is the best part.
No, the best
Ready?
one is the
The
black
white part
one.
is not too-
Yeah, no, it's not.
It's not good. You can take out the white part.
Yeah, it's okay if you don't eat it.
The best part, see the black one, the black thing that you like. You can hold it up.
Are you saving the duck at the end?
So this black part is the best part.
Yes.
You know what that black part? You know what that was?
No.
That was a duck.
That was the duck.
Yeah, that was the duck. How was it?
Well, that's really soft. I don't know. It doesn't have a lot of flavor. The yellow stuff is actually quite good.
Yeah, the yellow stuff's
You
really
put
good.
salt if you like. Oh.
It's not too bad
The
actually.
black was the duck. The duck.
But it's really soft. It doesn't really have texture either.
Yeah.
No, that's nice. I can't understand why all the fuss is about it.
So, how was your first experience eating duck egg or balut?
Yeah, it was nice actually. No, I didn't expect it to be. I expected it to be worse actually.
Congratulations.
Yay!